going to hit some exercises here. Then we're going to go to the track and do a couple of interval sessions here. I'm going to start with some jumping jacks. Hit some reverse lunges now. All right, 5 seconds. I'll hit some push-ups here. 5 seconds. I think I'm just going to cut off there and we'll hit the track now. All right, for tonight's workout, I walked up to the, actually close to the track. I just stayed on the sidewalk. But nonetheless, just walked for the warm-up. My knee was bothering, my left knee. That's why I cut the exercises short. I felt it tightening up. But I was never able to really loosen it up well. I did some strides and loosened up some, and I did the strides you saw there. I was able to hold close to 1 minute, 15-second pace for nearly a quarter mile. And then for maybe about 0.22 or 0.23. I then had to shut it down. But I actually didn't know how far I was going. I didn't go up to the actual track, so I didn't have it measured out. But I'm going to stay on the sidewalk next time and see if it, I'll just go a little bit longer and try to finish out the quarter. And then try to put a couple of them back to back. But my left knee was bothering me, so I didn't even bother doing a second one. I mean, I did a little bit of a stride. You see that acceleration there, but I said forget it. It wasn't worth going for a second one. So I'm going to try this, and I'm going to take at least a week off of speed work. Just do steady distance for a while and just get my endurance back up. All right, take care. Have a good night.